How to enable and get party mode on Discord PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simply go to Discord. This is the home page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is simple, just go down here to settings, as you can see, user settings. Now after you click on user settings, all what you have to do is click on party mode, as you can see. Now after you click on party mode, it will take you to this page, as you can see. Now go to the top right here and you will find enable party mode. Click here and click enable. As you can see, now we just enabled the party mode on Discord. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.